Good morning and happy Mother's Day. It is May 2023. We are getting ready to check out from the Bellagio after a 3-night stay. It was a quick impromptu trip, so we drove in and got this room, which is the Resort King in the main building with the pool view, which, as you can see, is really more of a highway view with the mountains in the back. But if you come up here and look down, there are the pools. And it's still only about 9:30 in the morning, so things aren't completely starting yet, but there's the Cosmopolitan next door, the Rio across the freeway. So here's the room. Again, this is after a 3-night stay, so anything you see that looks unkept or not as you might like it to be, we've lived in it for 3 days and just tried to put it together for purposes of the video. And spoiler alert, we love it. We love the Bellagio. We love this room. It's very comfortable. Had everything we needed. There are a few little nitpicks, but none of those are major. None of them affect our opinion about the room or our recommendation to stay here. We would happily stay here again, although if any kind hotel casino decided to comp us the Rain Man suite, we wouldn't say no, hint, hint. So this is the seating / work area, I guess. Maybe one nitpick would be that there's only the one chair. If you're here with more than one person and you need to work, first of all, I'm sorry. Second of all, there is that little stool that might work for two. It did for us for a short time. We have this nice little couch sitting area with the coffee table. The side tables, this is another nitpick. There doesn't appear to be a proper dresser, but you have these side tables that each have 2 drawers that can be used for your clothes. There are also a couple drawers here at the bottom in this little unit. You fit a couple things. Here are some of the do not touch items. I think you know what I mean. Here's the fridge. It's stocked. It's the mini bar. You know, anything you even touch, you have bought. So we don't do that. It would be nice to have a little personal fridge for the room, but they don't have it. So that's either a big deal to you or it's not. The carpet to me looks a little camouflagey, but it's fine. It's nice. The bed is super comfortable. We both loved it. Now, granted, you're probably staying up late, having a few cocktails, so that might help the sleep, but we both really liked it. Super comfortable. The other side table with the 2 drawers. Here's the entryway. Nice little tile floor. Of course, the closet. And again, we have our things packed and ready to go. So here's the safe. Plenty of wood hangers, a couple of robes, ironing board, pretty standard. The bathroom is very nice. We both liked it a lot. This shower is massive. Honestly, it's almost a little too big. And by that I mean, you've got this one end, which is great. Nice shower head, acceptable water pressure. little cubby there, or whatever you call it, for your shower items. You've got the temperature control here. That was a little finicky, trying to get just the right mix of hot and cold. Not a big deal. There's a hook, towel bar. Again, it's so large. I mean, maybe if you're here with lots of people and don't mind being super friendly, that'll work for you. It would have been nice to have a little bench, maybe. I'm not a tub guy, but I can see where a tub would be nice to have with this. But again, they don't have it, so you either care or you don't. Here's the vanity. 2 sinks. Love these mirrors. There is no water closet. You just have the toilet there next to the vanity. I'm kind of a fan of water closets myself, but there you go. Nice light fixture. Very spacious, comfortable bathroom. We liked it a lot. Big mirror. Make sure everything is looking as it should. And so this is our overview of Resort King at the Bellagio in the main building. I don't know if there's another name for it. We are on the 27th floor, again, with a pool view. And yeah, very nice room. I recommend it. We've stayed at the Bellagio 3 times before. This might be time number 4. And plan to be back. Look forward to being back. So yeah, this is it. I hope it helps.